Hey guys, I'm Shubro and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to do color grading using Adobe Premiere Pro. And here we'll not only use Premiere Pro but we'll also use Photoshop. So this video is gonna be interesting. So without any further delay, let's get started. By the way, a huge shout out to my Instagram and the Facebook page as well as on Twitter. I'm not that active on Facebook or Twitter, but I'm really active on my Instagram and I post regularly. So if you want to follow me there, then the link is given in the description. From there you can follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter as well. And today we'll learn how to do some color grading in the Adobe Premiere Pro, and here we will use Photoshop to do this color grading. We will create color lookup tables, which is called the LUTs. So let's go to our computer screen. Let's see how to do this. Right, welcome back. So now we are going to do some color grading using Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So basically in Premiere Pro we get some pre-installed color lookup table, so you can use that to do color grading using Premiere Pro. Or else if you want to make your own color lookup table, then we have to use Photoshop for that. So first of all, I'll show you how to use the pre-installed color lookup tables in Premiere Pro. So what I'll do is, first of all, open Premiere Pro, go to File, go to New, and then go to Project. And the new project window appears. So I will name that project, this one, as color grading tutorial, and I'll click on it. Okay, so when I click on that, this kind of a window appears. We know this is the user interface of Premiere Pro. So from here I'll open one video which I've downloaded from website pixels.com. So there are many such websites for you can download free stock photos and videos. Like there is Pixels, there is Pixabay, there is Unsplash, so you can check them out if you want to download some photos or videos to learn how to edit those. Alright, so this is my video. It's a 1080p full HD video with 24 fps. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop this here to create a new sequence. Okay, so this is the video you can see. So here is the video. Now if you want to color grade this video using the pre-installed color lookup tables in Premiere Pro, then what I do is just select this color tab. First of all, make sure that your layer is selected, then click on this color tab right here. So on the right hand side, this kind of a window appears. So from here click on the look here, and you'll get many pre-installed color lookup tables in Premiere Pro, like this one. So click on this, see that the color changes automatically, and again there are more just like this, and see the color automatically changes. So using this you can also do some color grading. These are very easy. These are all the pre-installed color lookup tables in Premiere Pro. The thing is that if you want to make your own color grading tool, or you can say the color lookup tables, then we can use Photoshop for that. Just a second. Yeah, okay, so first of all what we'll do is I will open my Photoshop, but before that what I do is we will take 2 or 3 screenshots from here. So now how to take screenshots is it's very simple. For example, I'll just move my plate, and I want this screenshot. Make sure that your screenshot shouldn't be blurry. Okay, this one is good. So now if I want to take the screenshot of this frame, that what I do is click on this little camera icon right here. This is known as export frame option, so just click on there and this kind of a window appears. Name this photo like tutorial 1, and you can choose any of your folders right here. I have a folder called color 1, so I'll just select this folder and click on the OK option, and that's it. Now what I'll do is I will open Photoshop, and from here I'll go to file, go to new, to create one new document to do a color grading. Okay, so this kind of a window appears. From here I'll choose the resolution of this video, which is 1920 1080, which is a full HD resolution, so I'll just create it. And this kind of a window appears. I'll go to layers first of all. All right, now I'll choose that of a picture which I just taken. Okay. So I have that folder, this one, and this is the tutorial 1. So what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop it in Photoshop, just like this. You can see this is the photo. Now first of all, before doing color grading, look at the colors which I used in the video. For example, you can see that a lot of black color, green color, and red color is being used in this photo. So we'll try to only adjust those colors to do some color grading. And the thing is that we don't change the value very much. We have to change the value in little proportions. So what I do is to color grade this one, just click on this adjustment layer options. This is one, just click here, and first of all we'll go to this option, selective color, which is right at the bottom. So here we get all the colors, like when I click on this red, yellows, and all these colors. So first of all we will grade the green color actually. And green I will very little cyan, and now adjust this as per your choice, and yellow and black. Don't do too much, then your picture will be not that good. All right, so next I'll go to yellows, and okay, next let's go to greens, and I'll do the red at the last. And I'll not change the magenta anyways. Let's go to cyans, or just a little bit, and to the magenta a little bit down. So next the yellows and the black. At the last I'll not go to any of this, I'll just go to black, and there is a lot of black color used in this. All right, so last of all let's go to reds, and to which cyan, and yellows, and blacks. All right, so now I think there is a very little difference. Okay, so this was the first one, and after color grading it's a little bit dark kind of color, so that's a very big difference actually. Next what we'll do is I'll go to curves, this option. Now I will first of all do the RGB. So I want this picture to be a little bit bright kind of. Okay, just like this. I will do it, yes, and a little bit dark. Yes. So yeah, this was the first one, and this is after that. It's a little bit bright. Now again go to this adjustment layer, and I will again choose curves. Now we will do in the colors. So first of all, red. No, first of all I will select green actually, or red. Red. First of all, let's do it on red. Like this, and kind of like of this. So it's getting a little bit greenish kind of. All right. Now let's go to green, and from here I'll make it a very little greenish kind of to get a texture and detail in it. Very little. Yes. Okay, that's pretty good. Now last one is blue. I'll not give this blue very much. All right. That's done. So you can feel a very big change actually in the color of this photo. All right. Now what I'll do is I'll go to color lookup, and I'll choose a color of kind of this. Yes. This is a this is crisp winter look. Okay, and I will get the opacity down to like 30%. Yes, that's looking good. I'll again go to the adjustment layers, and I'll choose another one from color lookup, like no, this is not good. um, it's looking pretty good actually. Okay, I'll just delete the first one. I'll click this one actually. Alright, so yes, and I'll down the opacity to 30% actually. Okay, now it's looking pretty good. I'll take a last color lookup from right here, and I'll take tension green. That it'll look pretty good, and I'll make it like 20%. Yes. Okay, so now I can see there is a actually a very big color change in the photo, and it's looking actually pretty good. And now I will click on shift, and I will just select all these, and I'll just control G to group all these things. Make sure that your last picture is a background layer. If you don't have any kind of a background layer, for example you have something like this and you don't have a background layer, then click on the last layer, go to layer, and then go to new, and then go to background from layer to make it a background layer, and that's done. Then go to file and export, and go to color lookup tables, and give it any kind of a description like color and grading, color grading, and in the copyright section you give your name, and then click on the OK option. Next, choose any folder where you want to save it. I'll just go to new, and I'll create one folder. And I'll select this folder and save in it. So just analyze for some time, and it's saved. Now we will go to Premiere Pro, and we'll go to color. Next, go to look, and then click on browse. select that folder where you have saved it, and click on open. See, it's been color graded. um, its color has been changed, and now you can just sharpen it. You can just change some of these, like you can change the intensity, and also you can make it a little bit sharp and kind of to make to get more details in the video. You can change the saturation like this, also the vibrance. All right, so this is how we color grade anything. Like, see, it's looking totally different. Let me show you these videos. This is the first one, and this is the last one. So yeah, there is a very big difference in both of these videos. So like this, you can just color grade any video using both Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So this is how we color grade anything in Premiere Pro using both Photoshop and some of the pre-built color lookup tables in Premiere Pro. That's it. That's how we do some color grading in Premiere Pro. I hope you like this video. If it did, then please hit the like button, and also you can share this video. And if you're liking my content, then please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.